Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Right now I'm going to tell you 7 words that no stock market guru, none of these so-called experts in the stock market, none of the people who predict things, who claim to have a crystal ball or claim to be able to see into the future and tell you what's going to happen in the world and predict future events, none of them are going to tell you this. But I'm going to tell you it right now because it's the truth and you need to know this, okay? If someone asks me to predict future events, and I get emails and phone calls from people a lot asking me, you know, what's going to happen. They ask me to predict news events, earnings reports, votes, referendums, elections, Fed decisions, how long before marijuana is legalized, and all kinds of other things. Whenever someone asks me to predict future news events, my answer is, are you ready? Here it comes. I don't know, and it doesn't matter. Once more, in case you didn't catch it, I don't know, and it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. My trading and investing method doesn't involve trying to have a crystal ball and predict future news events. Anybody, and I'm speaking to you, all the stock market gurus out there, anybody who claims to be able to do that, to be able to predict future events accurately, please avoid that person and definitely do not pay them any money. Instead of trying to be a fortune teller, I do what Warren Buffett does. Warren Buffett, you know, the second richest man in America, right behind Bill Gates, possibly the greatest investor of his generation. What does he do? Well, here's a quote. Buy a wonderful company at a fair price. That's what Warren Buffett does, and that's from a quote, a Warren Buffett quote. I do what he does. I buy great companies when they're on sale, and that has nothing to do with predicting future news events or earnings reports or whatever. I buy great companies when they're on sale. And let me give you an example. Here's Starbucks. I like the company. I've researched it. I know that they're consistently profitable. I know that this is a stock that tends to go up over time if you're patient. If you buy it at the right time and you hold on to it, the probability is good that it's going to go back up and you can make money. So for example, if you had bought Starbucks, if you had said back, you know, let's say 6 months ago, in mid to late 2016, if you had said, I don't know what's going to happen to Starbucks as far as news events and earnings reports and things like that, but I know that this is a great company and I want to buy it at a fair price. And I think that the low 50s is a fair price. If you had done that, and if you had been patient and just waited and waited and waited until finally it was in the low 50s, if you had decided that's a fair price, and if you had bought it at that price and then held on to it for a little while, you would have made pretty good money from the low 50s all the way up to almost 60. Buy great companies at a fair price. That's what Warren Buffett does, and I think he knows what he's doing because he has many billions of dollars. So stop trying to predict future news events and stop listening to anybody who claims to be able to do that. I don't care how long they've been trading. I don't care if they've taken photographs of themselves standing in front of a Lamborghini. Stop trying to predict future news events. Use the data, use the information that's available to you right now. So I hope this was helpful. It's 7 words, okay? I don't know, and it doesn't matter. I hope hope this video was helpful to you. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, leave comments, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you can receive the latest updates on my financial educational content. And if you'd like some help putting together a trading plan, or if you have questions, not asking me to predict future news events. I mean, you can ask me, but you know what my answer is going to be now. Okay, but if you'd like some help, I'm friendly. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna give you a hard time. I'll try to answer your questions. You can email me anytime. My name is David Modell, and my email address is davidmodell@gmail.com. I gave you some tough love today because I want you to be successful, okay? Thank you so much for watching and listening, and I'll talk to you again soon.